For decades, Hahn has been providing intelligent solutions for the AAC industry. With the experience gained in many plants applied worldwide, Hahn is recognized as global leader and as the most innovative solution provider in this industry. Our goal is to provide buyers with advanced technologies for cost-efficient AAC production. The raw materials for AAC are all natural, like cement, quicklime, sand and water. Aluminium is the gas generation agent. Quartz sand is by quantity the dominant material in AAC. Sand is ground in ball mills to the required fineness. Alternatively, pulverized fuel ash can be used. Ground sand in form of slurry is stored in large tanks with agitators to prevent sedimentation of the sand. Aluminium, the gas generation agent, is dispersed in water. Hahn's dosing and mixing system, Mix, has specially been designed for the production of AAC. The mold can easily be cleaned and oiled because of the 4 hinged walls which can be opened, a significant advantage of the Hahn plant design. The molds are automatically closed and locked. The mix is poured into the mold where the chemical reactions start. The mix expands due to the reaction of the aluminium and stiffens due to the hydration of cement and quicklime. After filling, the mold is transported to the pre-curing area. The pre-curing area is heated to speed up the chemical reactions. As soon as pre-curing is finished, the molds are unlocked and opened automatically. The hardness of the cake and the temperature is tested. Now the cake is ready for cutting. The cake is tilted in upright position for cutting. During cutting and autoclaving, the cakes rest on specially designed autoclave pallets. No mold parts go into the autoclave as with other systems. First, the block length is cut in the side trimmer and tongue and groove are profiled when applicable. In the second step, the block or panel thickness is cut. Handholds are either cut in an individual machine or integrated in the cross-cutter. In the final step, the cross-cutter cuts the block height or the panel length. Shortest possible wires are used to facilitate high cutting accuracy. Virhan's no-waste system saves 4 to 5% raw materials in comparison to other tilt cutting systems. In tilt-cut systems, a thin layer of material, the cutting bed, remains at the bottom side of the cake. This cutting bed is automatically removed by Virhan's patented bed remover and will be recycled as return slurry. The loading machine picks up the cut cake and puts it onto the autoclave trolley. Best possible autoclave utilization can be realized due to Virhan's unique autoclave pallet design. A heated waiting area in front of the autoclaves helps to avoid temperature loss of the cakes prior to autoclaving. The entire autoclave process is automatically controlled by Virhan's autoclave control system, VACO. During steam curing, the unique crystal structure is formed inside of the AAC. After autoclaving, the AAC has already gained its final strength. Autoclave trolleys are unloaded and cakes are transported to the separating machine. Here, the horizontal layers are separated, which tend to be fused together during autoclaving. Virhan offers tailor-made sorting and packing systems for blocks and panels. Here, blocks are packed on wooden pallets. A plastic cover for block protection and advertising. The blocks are ready for sale.